Hello dears and welcome back to my YouTube cooking channel. Today I'm sharing 3 delicious chicken drumsticks recipe from rich and buttery to crispy and spicy, and finally a special one cooked right in front of my fireplace. Let's get started. First, I have cleaned and scored the chicken drumsticks. Then I preheated my green pan to 205 to 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes and lightly seasoned it with olive oil. In 2 rounds, I seared the chicken drumsticks on each side for about 5 minutes until they gain this beautiful golden brown color. Next, I set the green pan to the sauce function at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and I added olive oil and butter on top of all those delicious meat juices released by my chicken. Next, I crushed 4 cloves of garlic and added them into this flavorful mix. For a boost of color and spiciness, I stirred in paprika paste and chili paste. And then, to prevent burning the garlic, I deglaze with a little bit of water. Following the next step, I added 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of oregano into the sauce mixture. I have to be honest and to say that this green pan at 150 degrees is quite powerful, and I need to be really careful to not have this sauce on my kitchen walls. A pinch of salt was also needed, along with some black pepper. The drumsticks were previously fully coated as they soaked up all that delicious buttery garlic sauce. Finally, salt was added according to taste, since the chicken drumsticks had not been salted until now. And let's not forget about this delicious head of garlic cut in half. It will join us on this slow cooking journey, infusing its aroma into our dish. I have set up the green pan to simmering function for 3 hours at 105 Celsius degrees. After 3 hours of slow cooking at 105 degrees, I poured this delicious sauce over the chicken drumsticks and decided to let them cook for another hour in this wonderful colored juice. 4 hours of slow cooking have passed, and just look how my spicy butter garlic chicken drumsticks look. The aroma they have released, it's simply divine. Each day brings me closer to fall more in love with my new cooking assistant, the GreenPan, but honestly, I still miss the touch of the fire and the smoke from my humble fireplace. Now let's try another delicious way to cook chicken drumsticks. Recipe number 2: crispy chicken drumsticks with spicy homemade sauce. Before we embark on our flavorful journey, let's take a peek at our star players. These goodies will create magic in your kitchen. You can find the ingredients also in the below description. I'll craft our exquisite seasoning blend using curry powder, black pepper, garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, lemon juice, mild paprika sauce, and sunflower oil. Now onto the main act. Let's coat each chicken drumstick with this sensational spice mix, ensuring that every inch is enveloped in this amazing aromatic blend. In my prepared iron cast pan, I am placing in a circular position these beautiful drumsticks, so later on I will be able to collect the flavorful sauce which will be released and drip it over. For an extra flavor boost to our marinated drumsticks, I am giving the last touch by adding the garlic head horizontally cut in two and the rest of the cloves from another garlic head which were slightly crushed. Our beautifully seasoned drumsticks start their slow cooking journey in front of my fireplace, absorbing all those amazing flavors. I am spraying a little bit of olive oil so our drumsticks will gain that perfect golden brown color. Whoa, wow! After 3 hours of slow cooking, the released bouquet is just insane, and the color is on the way of perfection. Now is the moment to make some space in the middle of the pan, so I will have access to this flavored and beautiful colored sauce. Throughout the slow cooking process, time to time, I will drip over the drumsticks this velvety and tasty sauce, ensuring that they will turn out juicy and tender. Please keep in mind that this delicious and simple recipe can be cooked also in the oven or in a modern slow cooker. After 6 hours of slow cooking, our curry garlic chicken drumsticks are ready. The aroma is divine and the flavors are simply spectacular. Et voila! A dish that simplicity meets flavor extravaganza. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more delicious creations. Thank you!